Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Realme 16 Pro, and now I'm going to show you how to use Smart Sidebar and floating windows on this device. At the very beginning, you should open Settings, then just scroll a bit down and find here Accessibility Settings, Accessibility and Convenience. Then here you'll see AI Assistant Smart Sidebar. Click on it and just enable it. And now, as you can see right here, we have the Smart Sidebar. So swipe it first from the right to the left and click Get Started. And here we have some interesting features. As you can see, here we have all apps right here. We can enable we can open some applications using sidebar in floating window. For example, click on the Chrome, and as you can see, the Chrome application opens in the floating window. So I can be in settings right now, and at the same time at the settings, at the Chrome, and as you can see, I can swipe my Chrome browser left, and as you can see, it's right here. But I can click on it and open it again. I can click on the three dots button and open it in full screen mode, or I can close the Chrome window. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. So please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.